Hi guys, welcome back. It's Seth. This is Warthog Defense. Russia is grappling with internal turmoil. Navalny's funeral drew far more people than Putin anticipated, highlighting growing discontent among the population. In the same time, attacks on Russian cities far behind the front lines persist. Adding to Moscow's concerns is insurgency in the Republic of Ingushetia, joining Chechnya and Dagestan as one of the Russia's most restless regions.
In Russian Karabulak, Ingushetia, FSB special forces began a shootout with militants. A counter-terrorist operation regime has been introduced. In a section of the town of Karabulak, FSB special forces have engaged in a firefight with unidentified militants, according to Russian propagandists. Details of the incident are currently unknown, and we are monitoring the situation for updates. The Ukrainian armed forces repelled a large-scale Russian infantry attack near Krinky. According to reports, very high Russian casualties occurred. NATO fighter jets were scrambled to intercept Russian planes over the Baltic. In the footage, two French Mirage 2005s are working to intercept two Russian Su-30Ms. Immediately after that, French planes also intercepted a Russian An-72 in international space north of Poland. Ukraine announced as the first use by the Ukrainian aviation of the French-guided air bomb AASM Hammer on Russian positions in Avdiivka. One more Russian attack in Robotyne is repelled by the Ukrainian 118th Brigade.
Так це ж возле підарів зривають. Гарненько так. Там може зброс уже не понадобиться. Таки да. Там ще танчик. Єба. Красиво. Це вже, блядь, третя чи четверта. Єбать, вона заряжена їхала, блядь. Єба. Зараз іще мені кажеться буде, блядь.
Used by Ukrainians of spikes dropped from drones to damage Russian vehicles and hurt logistics. Judging by the commentary, this tactic is effective and easy to deploy.
Вот наш любимый газон. Первый выезд, первая боевая потеря. Колесо оставили на позиции, еле вырвались. Вот такую штуку нам раскидывают с коптеров. Это уже второй, который вытащили. А так, два Урала без колес и 66-й без колес сегодня пришел. Вот так работаем, ребята. Вот наш боевой конек, наш спаситель. Два выезда, два колеса потеряли. Вот, разбрасывают прямо на дороге. Это то, что подобрали. А машины приходят со спущенными колесами до сих пор. То есть их там разбросано до хера. Все диски похороненные, все запаски подобрали, все, это крайние выезды. Вот такие пироги, ребята.
Due to the lack of any meaningful success on the front line, Russian state continues criminal shelling of civilian Ukrainian cities, including Odessa, using Iranian-supplied drones. The body of the 3-month-old baby has been found. This was a little boy, Timofey. Rescuers are still looking for his mom.
Зовут Сара. Зараз чекаємо, коли розкопають нашу сестру з 3-місячним сином. Чоловік і дитинка, старша донька, вони встигли, не були в іншій кімнаті. І вони живі і цілі. А вони спали в іншій кімнаті, в своїй спальні. І, на жаль, вони там внизу.
This is what Ukraine is fighting for.
Stay with Warthog Defense. We are monitoring the situation in Ingushetia. It can become far more worse than it is now. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.